Hey everyone, is your Windows 11 PC driving you crazy? It keeps crashing, flashing that dreaded blue screen of death at the worst possible moments, and you have absolutely no idea why. It's frustrating, I know, but don't give up on your computer just yet. Today, I'm going to show you how to rescue your PC step by step and make it stable and reliable again. No more random restarts, no more lost work. Let's fix this for good. First things first, let's play detective. Think back to right before the crashes started happening. What changed on your system? Did you install a new driver, a new app, or maybe a big Windows update? Did you plug in a new piece of hardware like a webcam or a printer? These recent changes are often the culprit. Let's find the evidence. Go to your settings, then click on Windows Update and look at your update history. See any updates that were installed right before the problems began. Now, go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Sort them by install date. Does anything new and suspicious stand out? Uninstalling that recent app or update could be your quick fix. Next up, let's talk about drivers. Bad or outdated drivers are one of the biggest causes of blue screens, especially for your graphics card. Open your device manager. You can just search for it in the Start menu. In there, find your key components, display adapters for your GPU, network adapters, and your storage controllers. Right-click on them and select Update Driver. But here's a pro tip. Don't just let Windows search automatically. It's always better to go directly to the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest official driver from there. Now, what if the crashes started right after you updated a driver? No problem. In the same Device Manager menu, right-click the device, go to Properties, then the Driver tab, and hit Roll Back Driver. This will take you back to the previous, more stable version. If drivers aren't the issue, your core Windows files might be corrupted. This sounds serious, but it's often an easy fix. We need to open Command Prompt with Administrator Powers. Just search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. First, type this command, sfc scano. That's sfc//scano. Hit Enter and let it run. This system file checker will scan for any broken Windows files and try to replace them. After it's done, we'll run a deeper repair. Type this next, DISM, Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. This command goes online to download fresh copies of system files if the local ones are too damaged to be repaired by SFC. Let both of these scans finish completely. They can take a while, but they are incredibly powerful tools. Okay, let's move from software to hardware. Faulty memory sticks, or RAM, and a failing hard drive, or SSD, can also cause constant crashes. Thankfully, Windows has built-in tools to check them. First, for your RAM, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic in the Start menu. It will ask you to restart your computer to run the test. Let it do its thing. When your PC reboots, it will tell you if it found any errors with your memory modules. Next, for your storage drive, open that admin command prompt again and type chkdskf. That's kdsk /F. It will likely say it can't run because the drive is in use and ask if you want to schedule it for the next restart. Type Y for yes and restart your computer. This will check your disk for errors and fix any it finds. Now, let's check your PC's temperature and power. A computer that's overheating will absolutely crash, especially when you're gaming or doing heavy work. The same goes for a power supply unit, or PSU, that isn't strong enough. You can download a free hardware monitoring tool like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner. With one of those running, check your CPU and GPU temperatures while you're using your PC normally and then under heavy load. If you see temperatures hitting 90 or even 100 degrees Celsius, you have an overheating problem. The fix? Power down your PC, open the case, and carefully clean out all the dust from the fans and heat sinks. If it's an older PC, reapplying thermal paste to the CPU can make a huge difference. Also, Double check that your power supply has enough wattage for all your components, especially if you recently upgraded your graphics card. Still with me? Great. Our next suspects are malware and aggressive startup programs. Malicious software can seriously mess with your system's stability. Go to Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. Don't just do a quick scan. A full scan is more thorough and might find something hiding deep in your system. Once that's clean, let's look at what's launching when your PC boots up. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S and go to the Startup Apps tab. You'll see a list of everything that starts with Windows. Be ruthless here. Disable everything you don't absolutely need running the second your computer turns on. Things like Spotify, Steam, Discord, they don't need to start automatically. You can just open them when you need them. A cleaner startup means a more stable system. Here is a secret weapon that most people don't even know exists. Windows actually keeps a log of every single crash and tells you what caused it. Search for Reliability Monitor in the Start menu. This tool gives you a simple graph of your PC's stability over time. Look for any red X icons. Those mark a crash or a critical failure. Click on one, and it will give you details on the exact application or process that failed. This can point you directly to the problem. For even more detail, you can use the Event Viewer. Search for it, then on the left, navigate to Windows Logs, and then System. Look for repeating error or critical level events around the time of a crash. This log can tell you if a specific driver or your hard disk is failing repeatedly. So you've tried everything, and the blue screens just won't stop. It's time for the last resort before a full clean install, a repair install. This is an incredibly effective method that reinstalls Windows, but keeps all your personal files, apps, and settings. It's like a factory reset for the operating system itself, without wiping your data. To do this, go to Microsoft's official website and download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Run it and choose to create an ISO file. Once the ISO is downloaded, just double-click it to open it like a folder, and then run the Setup EXIF file from inside. Crucially, when you get to the Ready to Install screen, make sure it says Keep Personal Files and Apps. If it doesn't, stop and figure out why. Let the process run, and it will rebuild your Windows installation from the ground up, fixing any deep-rooted corruption. And there you have it. By following these steps patiently, one by one, your PC should go from being a crash-prone nightmare to a rock-solid, reliable machine. I know it's a lot to take in, so save this video for later and share it with anyone you know who's fighting their own battle with blue screens. We've gone through real, effective troubleshooting steps here, no fake cleaner programs, no snake oil, just the proven methods that actually work. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, a subscribe would be amazing for more real Windows repair guides. Stay stable.